Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the power of saving and the importance of building an emergency fund and saving for the future. In today's world, it's more important than ever to have a solid savings plan in place. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks for building an emergency fund and saving for the future so that you can achieve your financial goals and have peace of mind. Step 1. Assess your spending. The first step in building an emergency fund is to assess your spending. This means tracking your spending for a month to see exactly where your money is going. This information will help you determine areas where you can cut expenses and free up money to put towards saving. Step 2. Create a budget. Once you've assessed your spending, the next step is to create a budget. This means determining your income and expenses so that you can see exactly how much money you have available each month to put towards saving. A budget will help you prioritize your spending and ensure that you're putting enough money towards saving each month. Step 3. Set savings goals. Setting savings goals is an important step in building an emergency fund and saving for the future. Start by setting a goal for your emergency fund, which should be enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then, set goals for your other savings, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. Step 4. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is a great way to ensure that you're consistently putting money into your savings account each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account so that you're consistently putting money towards your savings goals. Step 5. Cut expenses. Cutting expenses is an important step in building an emergency fund and saving for the future. Look for areas where you can cut back, such as dining out, entertainment, or subscription services. By cutting expenses, you'll free up money that you can put towards saving each month. Step 6. Take advantage of employee benefits. If your employer offers matching contributions for a 401k plan or other savings plan, be sure to take advantage of this benefit. By contributing to your employer-sponsored plan, you can increase your savings and grow your wealth over time. Step 7. Consider a side hustle. A side hustle is a great way to increase your income and build your savings faster. Consider taking on a part-time job or starting a side business to increase your income and put more money towards saving each month. Step 8. Reduce debt. Reducing debt is an important step in building an emergency fund and saving for the future. By paying off debt, you'll reduce the amount of money you're spending each month on interest and free up money to put towards saving. Step 9. Avoid impulse purchases. Avoiding impulse purchases is key to building an emergency fund and saving for the future. Before making a purchase, consider if it's a necessity or if it can wait. By avoiding impulse purchases, you'll free up money to put towards saving each month. Step 10. Celebrate your milestones. Finally, it's important to celebrate your savings milestones. Whether you've reached your emergency fund goal or saved enough for a down payment on a house, it's important to take the time to celebrate your accomplishments and acknowledge the hard work you've put into building your savings. Building an emergency fund and saving for the future is a process that takes time and effort. By following these steps, you'll be able to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to be patient, stay focused on your goals, and don't be afraid to make changes to your budget and spending habits if necessary. With the right strategies in place and a solid savings plan, you'll be on your way to achieving financial freedom and having peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards saving and building wealth. Thanks for joining us. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our daily content full of helpful tips and inspiration.